Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean silver jewelry at home using two simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First up, we have Eno. Yes, you heard it right. Eno is a great option for cleaning silver jewelry. All you need to do is take a small bowl and add some warm water to it. Then add a sachet of Eno and mix it well. Now place your silver jewelry in the bowl and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, gently scrub your jewelry with a soft bristle toothbrush and rinse it off with water. Voila, your silver jewelry is now sparkling clean. So guys, another option is using dishwasher. Yes, you can clean your silver jewelry in the dishwasher, but make sure to use a mild detergent and avoid using the heated dry cycle. Simply place your silver jewelry in a small maize pick and put it in the dishwasher along with your dishes. Once the cycle is complete, and take out the maize pick and gently wet dry your jewelry. Now let's talk about why silver jewelry turn black. One of the main causes in exposure to air and moisture. When silver comes in contact with air and moisture, a chemical reaction occurs which causes it to tarnish. And another causes is wearing your silver jewelry while swimming and showering, as chlorine can also causes tarnishing. To protect your silver jewelry, make sure to store it in an airtight container and Ziploc bag with an anti-tarnish strip. Avoid wearing your jewelry while swimming and showering, and make sure to remove it before applying any lotion or perfume. That's all for today, folk. I hope these tips helpful. Keep your silver jewelry looking brand new, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to for more tips and tricks on all things jewelry. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, and please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that brings joy and inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.